Welcome to our Aqua suite. Come on in, where we'll give you a grand tour of the room. From this area where you come in, you obviously have your luggage rack here where you can put your suitcases where they're out of the way. When you come in, you start your holiday, you don't want them around or anything, do you? You've got various, you've got your lighting here, car key, which they give you, and then you have this grand wardrobe where you can put everything in. There's loads of room, you've got 2 umbrellas, a safe, and then if we come this way into the room, we have a desk area. Obviously you can work, I put my contact lenses here, we put laptop, you get a folder in with all the room information in. UK plug sockets, but it looks like these plug sockets are universal. So they could work for like other, whether you're an EU national or from Australia or something like that. UK pins work, and there's loads of USBs, you've got 3 USBs this side. We've got various ones around the room that we'll show you. We have a cupboard here, which stores all your glasses in here, so if you want a beverage from down the fridge, which I'll show you in a second, you can use the glasses instead of drinking out the cans and everything. And then if you come down here, you've got your mini fridge. So you've got cans, beers, soft drinks are free, champagne, chocolates are not. What you see in the side door is chargeable. If you're on all-inclusive, we really recommend you come on all-inclusive because Maldives is expensive. So if you want a soft drink, it's $5. If you want Malibu, which is not on the plan, it's $7 just for a shot, so don't. If you want an Aperol Spritzer, it's $15. I think Aperol Spritzer is on the all-inclusive, so it's something you'd have to pay for. And on that note, on this desk, tea and coffee and your you and me Cocoon bottled water is free in the room, so you can help yourself to that. But these snacks they tease you with chocolate biscuits, Smarter Crisps, peanuts, these are all chargeable. So don't start eating them if you feel peckish, okay, because you'll end up with a bill in your room. Don't recommend that.
We've got the bedroom area, which is actually really quite large. Massive bed, very comfortable. Had lots of good night's sleeps in it so far, which is great. You've got 2 bedside tables, each with a lamp and lots of plug sockets, which is great. It's got USBs as well in there. Then you've got a sort of a fairly large seating area, to be fair, which is really comfortable. And then you've got your TV area. We haven't used the TV. One thing that's really good about the TV actually, it does come with Netflix. If you want to watch Netflix, you've got Netflix. So then we have the bathroom area, which is absolutely beautiful. So as you come in, you've got your lovely towel rack with your towels. You've got your sort of little wash basket down there. You have sink area, so his and her sink with a lovely large mirror and some lighting. The decor is really lovely. You get some scales and you get some sort of amenities with that as well. Gigantic mirror, which is beautiful, and I want to take it home. Then you've got the toilet area, so you've got your main toilet, you've got like a little bum washer next to it.
Bum washer?
Oh yes, it's a bum washer. No, because look at that hose, so that hose, it's in the hose. I don't know what you need a hose for. You've got a hose for your bum, and then you've got a BJ for your bum and your other bits. Then you've got a couple's bath, very, very large bath. We haven't used it yet, but we will use it soon. And then you've got your shower area, which is lovely. Big rainhead shower, very large, open, which looks out onto the deck. They do provide you with shampoo, shower gel and hair conditioner. So you don't really need to bring toiletries with you. I personally prefer my own shampoo, and I guess probably a lot of you will, but you don't actually need to because they do provide you with it, as of the other amenities as well. They've even got toothbrushes and toothpaste.
So come with me and we'll show you our lovely deck area, which you spend a lot of time on. When you come on holiday, you come back at night, you might want to just chill on the balcony. Maybe, you know, have a few drinks before we go ready for dinner. Just a warning, it's quite windy out here today, so it's quite choppy, so you might hear the waves moving up about. As you can see, there's a washing line up here on the side, so you can wash your swim costumes and stuff at the end of the day. You've got 2 lovely sun loungers out here. You've obviously got your balcony, you've got some lights up here. And if you come over here, we have a lovely table. You can sit out and enjoy drinks, or like us, we back up our footage at the end of the night on here. It takes us up to about 45 minutes to an hour to back it all up. It's going to go dark for a sec, so you have lights. Oh, also, behind where we just saw, there is an outdoor plug socket undercover. So if you do want to charge a laptop or your phone or anything while you're sitting out here for the day, instead of going to the beach, you have that option as well, which is quite handy. See the bathroom from inside here. And just to note, a lot of people have said that this door doesn't lock. When you're locking, see there's a lot of wiggle room. So when you do lock it, just move it back and forth, it does lock. Just to be wary of that when you are here. Please lock it, because people were like, oh, I haven't slept properly at night because this hasn't locked.
Then you've got some stairs that lead down into the sea. So you've obviously got your own ladder that takes you down into the sea. We haven't gone in the water from here just yet, because like James said, it has been quite choppy, but we're hoping that we can. At night time, that lights up your deck, which is really, really lovely. Yeah. So if you just want to go in the sea from here and then you wanted to wash yourself off, you have got a little shower.
Yeah, and it's all fresh water, which is handy. There's one more other bit we want to show you. So we're just going to go back inside and show you this quickly because it's probably a top note while you're in, especially getting ready in the evenings, okay? So come with us. Each room, obviously you get Please Make Me Nice with a very cute dolphin on. If you want some privacy, it's a couples resort, so you're probably not going to be sleeping. You might have a bit of a hubba bubba. But in the evenings, make sure you pop this on your door because they'll come round, especially as they come and knock at 7. And if you don't answer in a few minutes, they will come in your door. So make sure you pop this on your door. It's probably a top tip for the evenings because you don't want to be caught naked, do you? Coming out the shower, walking around your room or anything like that. It hasn't happened to us, I'm just saying it could happen to you, so be wary. Yeah, because on that note, we were sitting outside on the balcony and you can't hear the doorbell go. So on that note, that's the Aqua Suite room tour done. So we get the sunset here. It's the Aqua Suite without the pool.
We don't, we get the sunrise.
Sunrise, so we get the sunrise in the morning. If you watch this video and you got this far and you like our video, give us a like and make sure you share it with your friends and family on other social media platforms, all that kind of stuff.
Leave us a comment.
Yeah, leave us, even if it's a short one. We love reading comments. Like if you need to want to know anything about these rooms, hit us up because we'll take our time to get back to you because we love helping other people.
Yeah.
And make sure you hit that subscribe button because that will help us massively as well. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.
See you next week.
Bye.
Bye.